ZumeForms is a groundbreaking automation solution utilised in a host of industries and business functions. The ZumeForms platform allows you to easily create a whole range of automated content through which you can interact with your customers. There are 5 key areas that make up ZumeForms: Smart Forms, document automation, a billing gateway, data management, and account management and reporting. Let's take a tour of the 5 areas and show you how we can open a world of opportunity for you and your business. The first way we help you connect with your customers is through our Smart Forms. Whether you're an office manager or the resident IT professional, we can help you collect data without writing a single line of code. Our rapid design studio means you can easily drag and drop an amazing form in just a few minutes. The design studio supports simple tools like text fields, drop-down lists, address search, sliders, and even signature controls. We support sections and repeats, which means you can create unlimited relationships between different parameters and parts of your forms. With that capacity, you can create adaptive forms that change according to your customers' choices along the way. Our rules wizard makes it simple, so you can easily choose when to show and hide fields, set field values, enable and disable fields, show messages, and much more. Do you need a form with multiple sections? No problem. You can easily combine individual forms to create a multi-form. We provide the tools for you to customize notifications, both to the customer and to you, the form builder. Plus, all of this is fully responsive, so it will adapt to any device. If you're an advanced user, you can use our script editor to access every element of your forms. Each form has a unique URL for when you're ready to take it public. You can also publish your forms and documents into your own website, blog, email, or e-newsletter simply by cutting and pasting a few lines of code. Your users can sign up, log in, save forms, and reuse their data. They can maintain their own account details, and on your end, there's no need to manually manage the users, accounts, and authentication. It's all built in. With our document automation, you can turn your Word documents into interactive templates and automate them. If you know how to use Microsoft Word, then you'll find creating a template easy. All you need is our powerful add-on to turn your regular document into a smart template. You can sign into your account and access all of your forms and fields, then drag and drop the fields into your Word document. You can also add data structures like repeats, list formatting, conditional content, conditional sections, substitutions, and templates. Now you can simply turn your Word documents into interactive templates. Our billing gateway means you can easily collect payments online. Your customers can pay an invoice or make simple payments through your website, or you can set up a full-blown document portal. You can either use Stripe or our B-Point payment gateway to process the payments. Our secure data management gives you flexibility to save and access your data where you need it. All the data you collect is stored in your records. You can also choose to save it to a data repository by integrating with SharePoint or secure FTPs. What's also great about our data management is you can reuse data saved from a client to fill a whole new set of documents. That means you can build a client file without having to rekey data. With our account management, you can control user access and roles. Within your organisation, you can invite users and set permissions, plus share forms, templates and records. Our reporting means you can generate a report by user or by form to see your data and submissions and see statistics on forms submitted, documents created and fees collected. Our platform is designed to help you streamline your business processes, create smart online forms without coding, generate sophisticated documents tailored to your clients, make interactive forms that match your unique business logic, and it's all on one seamlessly connected platform. We have a growing client base of lawyers, councils, financial institutions and small businesses. Visit our website to read their stories. Now you've seen an overview of our platform. Try us out with a 30-day free trial and discover the power of ZumeForms for yourself.